My name is Cynthia Mason. I'm a Canadian lawyer and trademark agent. And in this video, I want to talk to you about searching name availability. Now, as a lawyer and a trademark agent, I help a lot of marketers and business owners choose new names. Whether it's a name for a new product or a new service offering or even a whole new business, one of the most important steps in the naming process is ensuring that the name is actually available for how you plan to use it. And this is where a trademark lawyer enters into the process and can bring a lot of value. Now, when clients come to us to help them trademark a name, whether it's through our full service law firm, Mason PC, or through our online trademarking platform, Markably, included in that trademark registration service is a search of the trademarks register to see if there are any prior trademarks that would affect the availability of that name, that logo, or that tagline. Now, we include this search of the trademarks register with all of our registration services for a couple of reasons. First, I don't want to file a trademark application for a trademark that someone else has already registered or applied to register. I don't want to file a trademark application that's going to be refused, and you don't want that either. You want to ensure that whatever trademark you're investing in actually is going to be able to obtain registration. Second, it's actually taking a ridiculously long time in Canada for the trademarks office to examine a trademark application. The minimum amount of time that you're going to wait right now is 24 months for a trademark examiner to look at your application and to search the register to see if there's anything confusing already registered. So basically, if someone else has already applied to register or registered the name or a similar name to what you are planning to register. 24 months is a long time to go along with your business plans without knowing if you can actually get a trademark registration. So we include the search of the trademarks register with all of our trademark registration services because we aim to file trademark applications that just get a rubber stamp in examination, meaning no objections whatsoever. And key to that is knowing what's going to come up in examination. Now, what is not included in our trademark registration services are searches of unregistered trademarks. So we search the trademarks register for registered and pending trademarks. We don't include searches of unregistered trademarks. These are names, logos, taglines that are being used by other people and other companies, but that they've never taken the steps to register as a trademark. So they never filed a trademark application and they don't have a trademark registration. Now, usually you can find these unregistered trademarks just by searching Google and social media. And this is actually something that you, as the marketer or the business owner, should be doing long before you involve a trademark lawyer. Now, I'm an expert at searching the trademarks register. You're probably a much better expert at searching the channels where you're going to be communicating with your customers. So do these searches before you involve me in any capacity. It can certainly happen that our search of the trademarks register comes up totally clear, but a Google search identifies another user of the name or something very similar, and that name could still affect your ability to register and use your name going forward. Just because you might be the first to file a trademark application for that name, if they're using something as an unregistered trademark and they've never taken the steps to file it as a trademark application, you filing an application isn't going to usurp their rights. So under Canadian law, unregistered trademark owners do still have legal rights that they can use to enforce against someone who's comes along after them and applies to trademark or uses a confusing mark. So an unregistered trademark owner can use their unregistered trademark rights to oppose your trademark application and to block your registration. So in the trademark registration or trademark application process, there is an opposition window where anyone out there who thinks they have earlier rights can file an opposition, show why their rights are better than yours, and they can block your trademark registration. Unregistered trademark owners can, in limited circumstances, apply to the federal court to invalidate your trademark registration after it issues. An unregistered trademark owner can also sue you for trademark passing off. So this is basically, they're suing you for using a trademark that causes confusion with theirs, misrepresents the source of your products or services, and is causing them damage. So this is why it is so important for you to search unregistered trademark sources, as well as the trademarks register, when determining if a trademark, a name, a tagline, or a logo is available for you to use. Now, you can certainly hire a trademark lawyer or an agent to conduct an in-depth trademark search. This is something that we do as a paid service. We'll search registered and unregistered trademark sources, such as the internet, social media, business name registries, domain name registries. We'll search all of those sources and we'll review each and every hit from the perspective of likelihood or potential confusion with your proposed name. But in my experience, the vast majority of problematic unregistered trademarks that come up in these searches could have been disclosed in a 15-minute Google search on your own. So this is something that you want to really do before you invest anything, including investing in a trademark lawyer, to help you go forward with a new name.